Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Didn't have a video for today, so here you go. How about inspiration? Some people ask me, how do you have so much energy? Well, I shut the TV off 4 years ago so I can get things done. So always stay awesome, always stay busy, and I just keep pushing through. There are days that I go home and I don't get a whole lot done. I watch some videos. For those that watch my videos, I watch your videos back. I'm a little behind on that, but I work at it. I work at it. Almost a video every single day. I don't know what I'm always doing, but I know where I want to be in the future. So, with that in mind, how many people gave those resolutions out? You made those resolutions. Did you get them done? There's usually 5. So, I'm still working on mine. It's to have the second off-grid system. It's not fully up to par, wired in yet, but I'm still working on getting another charge controller on the first off-grid system. But I'm rolling with it. I'm doing the best I can with what I have. There's going to be a hiccup coming up soon, and we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna roll with it. So everybody out there, just keep rolling with your magic. Never slow down. So yeah, there's gonna be a hiccup. It may take a week or two from my agenda, but I'm gonna still be putting videos out of certain things, and we're gonna roll with it. Always roll with your magic. Never slow down. Always stay awesome. I got a plan for you guys here soon. I got something coming up real quick and I want to share with all of you. So stay tuned, and I will see you on the flip-flop. See you on a nice sunny day. Ha ha!